Good day and welcome to session number 2 of Hampton High School's Parent University. My name is Quentin Ward, your host, and I am so excited to be able to partner with you to ensure that your child has a wonderful and full experience at Hampton High School. HPU is a series of video lessons packed with important information for parents and is designed to empower parents to ensure that each of our scholars have a productive and exciting high school experience. That was the bell. Class is now in session. In today's lesson, we will talk about CTAE Pathways and how to choose the best pathway for your child. So, what does CTAE stand for? It stands for Career Technical and Agricultural Education. It is the goal of the Georgia Department of Education to provide our career industry with skilled workers ready to enter the workforce. Therefore, our high schools offer career pathways designed to provide documented skills that students will need to enter the workforce. So, what is a career pathway? A CTAE career pathway is a set of 3 classes designed to give a student specialized instruction in a specific career path. After successfully passing each of these specialized classes with a grade of 70% or higher, the student will then take what we call the EOPA, the End of Pathway Assessment. The End of Pathway Assessment is a test or final exam that the student takes to demonstrate mastery and proficiency over the content covered in the 3 specialized classes in the pathway. If the student passes the End of Pathway Assessment, the student may earn an industry certification in that particular field of study. Hampton High School offers the following career pathways: entrepreneurship, early childhood education with field experience, health science with a clinical experience, food nutrition, law and public safety, audio-video technology, agricultural science, architectural pathway, and a technology engineering pathway. In addition to these pathways, we also have a fine arts program where kids can take classes in the area of fine arts, dance, music, choral, and theater. These courses will also give the student an opportunity and idea to see the work that's actually involved in that career so that they can make a decision, an informed decision, on whether or not they actually do want to enter into that field or career. It is our desire for your scholar to be plugged into classes that will cause him or her to be college and career ready. As an overview, a pathway is a set of 3 classes taken in series that provide specialized instruction in a particular area. After completing successfully the 3 classes, the student will take the End of Pathway Assessment. After successfully passing the End of Pathway Assessment, the student will have completed the pathway. Remember, from lesson number 1, a student over the course of 4 years has plenty of time to earn at least 1 pathway, but they have the option of choosing multiple pathways. Pop quiz. Now it's time to see what you've learned. How many specific Carnegie units does a student need to earn in order to receive a high school diploma in Henry County Schools? A, 20 Carnegie units total. B, 4 math and 4 science Carnegie units only. C, 23 specific Carnegie Unit credits, or D, all students will graduate after 4 years of high school, so it really doesn't matter. What do you think? If you chose answer choice C, 23 specific Carnegie Unit credits, you are correct. Remember from lesson number 1, our graduation requirements are 4 English, 4 math, 4 science, 3 social studies, 3 CTAE fine arts, half a credit of health, half a credit of personal fitness, and 4 electives totaling 23 Carnegie units. We have reached the end of another session of Hampton's Parent University. We do hope that you and your scholar has found this information helpful. In next week's edition of HPU, we will discuss how to get connected and have a full high school experience at Hampton High School. This is your principal, Mr. Ward, signing off. Class is now dismissed. Parents, we do have a homework assignment. In the description area of this YouTube video, you will find a link that says Graduation Checklist. This link is a document that can be used as a worksheet to help you have a conversation with your child about the credits that they have earned in high school so far. The essential question: is your child on track to graduate in 4 school years? If you are unsure, please schedule an appointment to speak with your child's counselor by calling area code 770-946-7461. Please come to class with your homework assignment. See you soon.